If you want to scan QR codes on the Samsung Galaxy A37, we have two main ways that allow you to do so. The first option is to go to the Control Center or Quick Settings panel, and then usually here in this expandable area, you can find the QR code scanner. So we should be able to easily use the QR code scanner in here. There we go. And then we can point at the QR code that we want to scan. There we go, and now we have the generated link, which we can, of course, open, copy, or share with someone. Another way to scan a QR code is by using the camera. So if you open the camera in the photo mode, you can just point at your QR code, just like before. And then if the link is generated, then you should be able to see the link over here. So you can tap on the arrow in order to reveal the same options, or you can just tap on that link to open it straight away. In case it doesn't work for you in the camera app, then you can tap on these four dots on the right side and you can go to settings. And then here in settings, we have the scan QR codes option, which of course must be enabled. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.